So we rescued that bird. My dogs were attacking that bird here. It can't fly, but we took them to the vet and said that it should be fine. Is that bird here right now? So yeah, it's like the bird's nest is somewhere on this tree here. But it's in my backyard, it's there, this tree. So it's not time, so we'll see what happens by the morning. Okay, the bird is at my patio right now. It's chirping. Still alive, which is good. Hopefully it's getting better. Don't think it can fly yet. Still on the ground. But I wonder what that bird's doing. Might be hungry or what? Well, yeah, we're still trying to take good care of this bird here. Well, this is the sad ending, guys. So, after I checked on him a few hours later, then, as I checked on him now, the bird has died. So yeah, silver bag here, and I'm going to be safely putting him down with trash. Well, I don't like this trash now. I hate doing with trash. Trash is so gross. But bird is dead. So yeah, that was the sad ending, guys. But this is a story of rescuing the bird. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out more videos of me finding some creatures outside, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.